Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for an easy way to wrap a large gift and make it look really cute, I want to show you these gift wrap bags from Purple Q Crafts. These are clear plastic bags, and this is a 10 pack of a 24-inch by 30-inch bag, and these things are great. So they are a giant plastic bag that you can put your gifts in, and this is perfect for all of those larger bulky gifts, or if you're trying to make a beautiful gift basket or a fruit basket and you need a way to keep everything contained, these are such a great option. They are very durable and they're also easy to handle. I have found them to be really easy to open up and to get everything inside. They kind of hold their shape pretty well because they're pretty thick. So even while you are loading up the bag, it kind of stays put, and that just makes it easy to work with. So I think that these are an awesome option for wrapping up those large gifts and gift baskets and making them look their best. So I would definitely recommend these bags, and that's my point of view.